In a world where microscopes are expensive, people rarely look past their own noses in terms of small things. So I joined the 3-day game jam and made a game about the smallest thing I could barely wrap my head around.
Quantum quarks.
For a brief lesson on quarks, they are particles theoretically made of nothing and make up protons and other small particles. There are 6 types or flavors of quarks as shown. One of these quarks is called a charm quark, and charm was the theme of the game jam. Hey, see where I got my idea? Anyway, these quarks look ugly, so I drew some new ones. If you study quantum physics and the thought of a quark having eyebrows insults you, then just leave. It's going to get worse. A game idea was necessary at this point, so I did some thinking while playing Minecraft. My idea was to have the player exist as a charm quark inside the proton. The player could talk to other quarks and help them, and also kill evil quarks. Unfortunately, I only had 3 days to make this game, and there were bound to be a bunch of bugs. So I got working, creating a grid for the background, a movement and a camera script, customizable shooting abilities, other quarks, menus, and cutscenes. Since the beginning of time, humans have tried to find the smallest thing in our universe. With my game
slightly working, I decided to do testing and polishing.
Until I accidentally looked at the time. 6:55 p.m. The jam ended in 5 minutes. I quickly exported the game, but it took longer than anticipated. 6:58, it finished, and I uploaded it to itch.io in the nick of time. I made it. Or so I thought. Turns out my game wouldn't start due to an invisible panel covering the button. Luckily, there was a 10-minute buffer. I deleted the panel and rebuilt the game. It took so long, I had to go to the toilet. But what was this? The controls in the instruction were wrong?
I changed it. By the time I uploaded the new version to itch.io, it was 709. Phew, safe. Or so I thought. It turns out I got the controls wrong again. The instructions were still wrong. Subscribe to see if I fail less badly the next time I make one of these games.